Hello everyone. So today we will learn particle ka, Japanese particle ka. So hope you can see the laptop screen. So in the previous video I taught particle wa. So particle wa which shows the topic of the sentence. So this is may particle wa is completely focused on the topic. So whereas today we will learn the next particle which is particle ka. So, before watching this video, I would request you all to watch the previous video as well. Then you can move to this. Okay. Then let's take suppose what is particle ka. Okay. So particle ka, there are various use of the particle ka, but in this video we will understand the main purpose, main use of the particle ka. So particle ka is majorly used to make a question. Okay. If particle ka comes at end of the statement, that statement will become a question. Let's understand how. So here are some notes I have made. So particle ka generally comes at end of the sentence. When you add ka, it become a formal statement like that. So let's discuss this one by one. I will zoom the page. Okay. So just for example, suppose here you can see kore wa. Okay. Kore wa pen des. So there is a statement in here. Kore wa pen des. Okay. It means this is a pen. Okay. But if you add particle ka at the end of the sentence, if you add particle ka at end of the sentence, it means now it become a question. So first it was a sentence. Kore wa pen des. It means this is a pen. But if you add kore wa pen desu ka, it means now it become a question. Is this a pen? So in Japanese, you will not find many say, questions which ends like this sign. Okay. Instead of this sign, you will see the particle ka is placed at the end. Okay. So yeah, kore means this is used for uh, the things which is near to speaker. Va is our particle. Kore va. Pen is a pen and this ka is this a pen? And ka is again question. Okay. Because of ka, the statement changed to question. Sentence changed to question. Next, next example. Nihon ni. Nihon means Japan. Nihon ni ikimasu ka? So are you going to Japan? So again the ka appears at end of the sentence. It means this is a question word. Okay. Nihon ni ikimasu ka? So ikimasu, the meaning of ikimasu is to go. Nihon is Japan. So will you go to Japan? Because ka comes at end of the sentence, that sentence become a question. So Nihon is Japan, ikimasu is to go. Okay. Nihon ni ikimasu ka, it means will you go to Japan? Okay. So again, this is a second use of particle ka. I added few more examples of ka. Let's take kore wa. Kore means things which is near to speaker. Wa is a particle. Kore wa means this. Hmm? Jisho. Jisho is dictionary. Okay. Kore wa jisho des. It means it is a simple explanation. This is a dictionary. But if you add particle ka at the end of the sentence, then it become kore wa jisho desu ka. It become a question. So if you only say kore wa jisho desu, it means this is a dictionary. Okay. But kore wa jisho desu ka, it means is this a dictionary? Now it become a question. Okay. So this is how particle ka works. Okay. Let's get into the next example. Anata wa. Anata means you. Okay? Anata wa sensei desu ka. Sensei is teacher. Okay. So ka is again making a question. So are you a teacher? Like that. Anata wa sensei desu ka. So are you a teacher? Okay. So this is again the second next example. Let's move to this next example. Ashta. Ashta means tomorrow. Ashta wa ame. Ame is rain. Huh? Ashta wa ame des. It means you are directly giving a statement tomorrow is a rain. But if you say ashta wa ame des ka, it means you are asking. So will it be rain tomorrow? So this is again use of the particle ka. Then let's take suppose next Nihongo. Nihongo is Japanese language. Nihongo ga wakarimasu. It means I understand Japanese. Nihongo ga wakarimasu is means I understand Japanese. But if you are adding particle ka, it means do you understand Japanese? Now it is asking a question. Okay, because of ka particle. Okay, so I added few more example. We'll discuss this one. Eki. Eki means station. Eki wa doko desu ka? Eki means station. Okay, doko means where. Huh? And is it? So where is the station? Next example is sorewa. Sorewa is that. Sore means that. Hmm? Atarashi hon desu. If I cut this ka, it means that is a new book. Okay. But if I add this ka, then it becomes sorewa atarashi hon desu ka. It become a question and it is asking, is that a new book? Okay. So this is how particle ka is used. Okay. So after adding ka, it become a question. Hmm? So these are the few examples I already added. I will add this file, Excel file in below. Hmm? So next use of particle ka is to make a or statement. Okay. So let's take kohi ka. Kohi ka. Kohi ka kocha o nomimasu ka. So it is asking coffee or tea. Will you drink? So if ka particles appears two times in the same sentence, the meaning will become or. So this is again the next kind of use of particle ka. Okay. Here again. Densha ka. Densha ka. Densha ka basu de ikimasu. So here it is also making a or. So I will go by train or basu. Basu means bus. Densha is train. So I will go by train or basu. So this is again making a question here. So these are the few notes I have added. So these are few examples. Okay, you can, I will add this sentence. Okay, and the major tips to remember for regarding the particle ka is particle ka first it is used to make when it appears end of the sentence, then the sentence will become a question. Okay, So end of the sentence, I am repeating. End of the sentence, if ka appears, it become a question. Now, if particle ka appears in between, okay, so the meaning of particle ka become or. So these are the major use of particle ka. Okay. So yeah, that's it for now. I have uploaded previous videos in my N5 playlist. So before watching this, you must watch those videos. Then you will understand this particular today's session. Okay, so today we'll stop for here, and you can watch our next video. So please check it out and subscribe the channel so you will understand where I upload the when I upload the next video. Yeah. ありがとうございました。